Installation artists like Allison Walker look to transform the room into something out of a dream.
I just want to make things that are super immersive and really make you feel like you're within the artwork, like you're a part of it.
That's exactly what she did with her installation at Goldstein's Mortuary and Delicatessen in Fresno's Tower District. The exhibit was a 2-month project to commemorate Goldstein's 8th anniversary.
I immediately knew that I wanted to do like the kelp forest and like have it be something that people are like physically walking through, like you feel like you're underwater. So like you walk in, it's the kelp, and then like you keep going and you're like, okay, now I'm in the deep sea, everything is glowing.
The exhibit was a hit along with the other attractions that helped celebrate the 8th anniversary. It was a huge accomplishment for Allie, and she's come a long way from when she first started, making art exhibits in her house with her roommates.
We converted our entire house into these art studio events where she completely converted our house to now seeing a progression into a professional setting where she's working with breweries and other clients like that has been phenomenal.
From transforming living rooms to breathing life into commercial spaces, Allie's dreams are walking in every space she's in.
My goal is to every like 2 to 3 months change the space and make it just super immersive, a new experience. I want you to, each time you come through with a new installation, feel like you've never even been there before.
For Fresno State Focus, I'm Marco Rosas.